Annual HVAC maintenance. Why is it important? Maintaining a comfortable indoor environment can be a challenge, especially when the scorching Texas summers or chilly winters arrive. Here are 4 reasons why investing in routine maintenance is worthwhile. Annual maintenance keeps your HVAC system running efficiently, reducing energy consumption and lowering utility bills. Regular upkeep helps extend the lifespan of your HVAC unit, saving you from costly replacements. Clean filters and ducts result in better indoor air quality, which is crucial for your family's health. Routine maintenance can identify and address potential issues before major costly repairs are necessary. Don't wait until your HVAC system breaks down in the middle of a Texas heat wave or winter cold snap to get professional and reliable HVAC maintenance services in Woodlands, Texas. Contact Guy's Air Conditioning and Heating today at 281-306-5502. Call us now and experience the difference.